name is Maggie Macias. I came into AMAVA kind of deflated, not being able to lose the weight after having my daughter. I was feeling unmotivated and just feeling stuck. And so I decided to try an alternative, just an extra help to get my motivation going. And I ended up reaching out to AMAVA, and I've been seeing her now for 2 months. Weekly, I do the semi-gluten, and now I'm currently down 20 pounds. The way I use the medication is I take a syringe and I inject a small amount into my abdominal area. I start off with a small dosage, and every week we're increasing the dose depending on how I'm feeling. And so that way I can train myself mentally to not consistently eat junk food, start making healthier choices. I feel great. I feel motivated. I feel happy, like I'm myself again. I'm not fearful of reaching for certain items in my closet. Now I'm excited to try on new outfits that I've had sitting there for a while. I told myself I'll get to them eventually, but I never did. And it's exciting that I can put them on and feel great in my clothes and feel confident walking out my door and attending events with my children and my husband. Feel great. I am greatly appreciative of AMAVA's treatment plan for myself. Thank you.